G'day guys, James here. Today in this video, we're going to be looking at Ego's new hedge trimmer. Now what you'll see in this video is this machine being used in action, and then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about the functions and some of the features. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so lastly, got the hedger. Again, all the weight's in the back. Skin of the battery is quite light. Just the plastic really. Plug that in, we're good to go. Okay, so you got to see the machine being used and how it performs. Now, this as a standard kit will come with the 2.5 amp hour battery, so that makes it nice and lightweight to be able to use just overhead or anything like that. What you did see in the video was me using their new battery adapter, and I've done a separate review on this which you can see in more detail, but I would highly recommend one of these if you're doing a lot of gardening. If you're a commercial guy, you'll probably get 60 minutes runtime with this 2.5 amp hour battery. You could drop a bigger, say 7 amp hour battery on here, put all the weight on your back, put that smaller plastic lightweight unit into the back of it, and it just saves a lot of weight on your hands. Like I said, the kit itself comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery. It'll come with a standard charger. The standard charger to charge that will take 50 minutes. You can also look at upgrading to a rapid charger. This is one of their rapid chargers, and you know that'll do that. Don't quote me, but probably in more than half the time, quite quickly. The unit itself has a brushless motor, so you're going to get a long lifetime out of that. You've got a 26mm cutting capacity in between these bars. You got a 610 length rod, so that's a dual cutting capacity, so that's going to get quite a lot whether you're going forwards or back. You can get on both sides of the blade. Weight of this is 2.8 kilos, and that's normally without the battery. The good thing about the Ego product, and I say it in all the reviews, is it's battery powered. You don't have to worry about mixing fuel, you don't have to worry about trying to start it if it's a 2-stroke or a 4-stroke, mixing oil or anything like that, or running out of petrol if you're out in the middle of nowhere. All you just need to have is a few batteries charged up. It's quite easy. So can't recommend this enough. Great little product. I think you're going to see more commercial gardeners and guys like that starting to use this. It's quiet, it's lightweight, and it really is a good product. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the review. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Like or subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.